Today's video, I have a new box to unbox on my channel. This is the August lemonade box. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. So like I've just said, I have a new box for my channel. I can't wait to unbox this. This is the August lemonade box. I was very kindly contacted by the brand and they asked if they were to send me the August box, would I do an unboxing on my channel to show you lovely lot, and I jumped at the chance. So to be totally clear and transparent, I have not paid for this box. This is a PR box, and yeah, I'm going to give you an honest review on it. Do you get this box? Have you had it in the past? What are your thoughts on it? And if this is just a new box for you, yeah, sit tight and we'll go through it and see if you like it. It's £25 per month. The longer you subscribe for, the cheaper it gets apparently. And yeah, they have given me a code which will get you 20% off your first box. So I will pop a link down below in the information box and the comment box. Give that a click, and then my code is down there as well. Pop the code in and yeah, you'll get 20% off, which is cool. If you are wanting this box in particular, the August box, you have until the 24th of this month to get it. So get a move on if you do want it. Right, so let's get in here. Ooh. So here it is. We have a nice colour box and it's just a little sleeve. We'll just slide that off. Oh, it's a nice weight to it. Opening the box up. Okay, what do we have here? So we have a little leaflet here. This just says August monthly mission. It's August and as summer comes to a close, we want to make sure you're making the most of every summer moment we have left. This month, get out the house and get active. Exercise is a tricky one as most people have a love-hate relationship with it. But once you find something you enjoy, it becomes easier and enjoyable part of your weekly routine. Perhaps let's go to the local outdoor pool near you, or a yoga class in the local park. Whatever it is, take the opportunity to give it a go and maybe find a new hobby and meet new friends in the process. As always, we're rooting for you. You've got this. Right, so and this is the edit card. It has the information on all the products in the box, which is cool. So we'll go through that throughout the video. Oh, that's really pretty. I love the colour paper. I'm gonna have a little heart sticker. Let's have a sneak peek of the box. Ooh. And there is the goods. So yeah, let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got to play with. I had a little look on the website and I think I read on there that in your boxes you get a minimum of 5 products, which is valued at a minimum of £60. So just looking at the edit card, it just says here, welcome to the August lemonade box, which is worth £101.94. This month's box, we are on a hydration hype with 5 products for you to try from brands such as Pie, Skincare, Coconut Lane, Hello Skin Co, London Botanical Labs and Beautykin. The first product in the box we have is this. So this is a full-size product by the brand Hello Skin Co, and these are Hydrogel Eye Masks. You get 30 eye masks in here and they have an RRP of $9.99. It just says bad night's sleep, too much screen time. Hello Skin's multifunctional caffeine and collagen infused hydrogel eye masks are the answer you've been waiting for. These caffeine infused hydrogel masks work to brighten, hydrate and reduce puffiness around the eyes in just 10 to 15 minutes. They're the perfect quick pick-me-up for puffy, tired looking eyes. Use your mask to depuff and get your daily dose of glow. Like I said, it's got 30 masks in here and you can recycle the tub after use. Awesome. I absolutely freaking love eye masks. And yeah, like I said, 10-15 minutes, whack them on, take them off. I normally just put them on and I forget that they're there. I'm either doing housework or I'm reading a book, and I leave them on longer. as long as they're not irritating my skin, they can stay there as long as they'll stick at the end of the day. So yeah, I am basically going to start using these straight away, so we'll open them and have a little look. Okay, so this is what that looks like. We have a little spoony thing there just to get the mask out with. Oh, I couldn't open it there. That is what they look like. Oh, smells nice. Oh, there's one stuck on the lid. Can you see it? Oh, I can see all the serum there. Lots and lots of serum. And I bet you once all them eye masks are used, there's going to be a lot of serum. Can you see that there? I've just poked that down. Ooh, yeah. That is going to be so nice. I'm just going to put some of the serum on my hand there so we can have a little play. Ooh. You can feel that it's very hydrating. Nice. I love stuff like this. Second product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Coconut Lane, and it's Palm PWR, is that just power? Palm Power Hair Mask. This has an RRP of £12. This is also a full-size product, and it just says get ready to tame your mane with Coconut Lane and their intense rescue hair mask. Formulated with nourishing coconut oil to restore dry and damaged hair, almond milk to reduce breakage and condition, caffeine to stimulate the scalp circulation and encourage healthy hair growth, and jojoba oil to encourage scalp rejuvenation and lock in hydration. Apply to the length of your hair and leave on for a minimum of 15 minutes. What is that? Clean and recycle tube after use. Cool, so another thing you can actually recycle. Love the packaging, definitely approve of the pink. Ooh, so here it is. I love that it's coconut oil. I absolutely love coconut. Okay, this is sealed. I'm leaving that sealed until I use it. This will be going in my hair mask drawer, and I will be doing a review video on this, so keep your eyes peeled. The third item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand London Botanical Labs, and this is Brighten Me Up Serum. This has a value of £55, and this is a full-size product. It just says this daily facial serum is powered by pineapple extract, high in vitamin C, that is well known for skin brightening and anti-aging effects, and super skin hydrator hyaluronic acid. The serum applies like a dream and nourishes the skin, leaving it feeling smooth, healthy and hydrated, containing natural antioxidants, hyaluronic acid, it's a motorbike going by, pineapple extract and carrot root extract, giving you a lightweight, uplifting formula with natural benefits. It's vegan, it's cruelty free, it's the perfect choice for healthier, more energized looking skin. Again, the bottle is recyclable, which is fabulous. I am sure, yes, I have received this product before in previous beauty boxes that I've had over the years. I think I have like 2 or 3 of these in my drawer, and I've used 1 or 2 of these as well. This is gorgeous on the skin. My skin really likes it, so really glad to get another one. It's £55 a pop. I can't afford to go out and just replenish my stock with this, because yeah, every penny counts these days, doesn't it? So yeah, really glad to get another one. But yeah, I love this brand, love it. Fourth product in the box is this. So this is by the brand Beauty Kin, and it's a hydrating body shower bar. This is a full-size product. It has a value of £9.90. It just says a spa and a bar and a serious upgrade from your current shower gel. If you love a rich, luxurious foam, this bar is for you. Believe us when we say the lather is extreme and aims to hydrate, soothe and rejuvenate your skin. To use, create a rich, thick lather, leave on your skin for 60 seconds, rinse off for hydrated, supple skin. Suitable for youthful to mature skin. Please keep me dry when not in use. No one likes a soggy bottom. Cool. Recycle the box after use. Cool. I'm liking the whole recyclable theme going on here. I think that's great. But yeah, here it is. Let's have a little sniff. smells lush. It smells really nice. So there it is there. Even the bar feels velvety, so I can only imagine what that's going to be like when you get water on it and actually lather it. But yeah, the bar feels lush and velvety. That smells beautiful. I can't wait to use that. I love a thick lather like shower gel or body wash when I'm washing my body. It just feels really luxurious. The fifth and not the final product in the box is this. So this is a travel size product by the brand Pi Skincare, and this is Resurrection Girl Hydrating Mask. It has an RRP of £15. It just says, give dry skin an instant hydrating boost with the Pi Skincare Resurrection Girl. A deeply hydrating face mask formulated to replenish the skin's moisture in just 10 minutes. The rich gel-like texture of the mask offers a cooling and soothing effect on application, helping to smooth and plump the appearance of your skin. Enhanced with Resurrection Plant and Blue, Tansy Oil, an antioxidant-rich formula, protects and nourishes the skin, summoning a calm and balanced complexion. So yeah, here that is. You know, I've had 1 or 2 items from this brand and they've been really nice bits of skincare I've enjoyed using. So really happy to get a nice little hydrating mask from them. I can't wait to use that. So you just pop it onto clean and dry skin, leave for 10 minutes. Massage with moistened fingertips to create a silky milk. Rinse with water. Cool, and it doesn't contain any oils in there. Is that sealed? It is not. Just pop a little on my hand. So there it is there. So yeah, it is like a gel. Oh, it's like a thick gel. Wow, it's obviously not, but it reminds me of like a lip gloss, like that thick. Nice. That smells really nice as well. Relaxing and calming. Yeah, cool. So that is the main products in the box, but we do have a little gift here. We have some little samples. So let's have a look. Natural Men's Grooming Scrubbed Anti-Aging Face Serum with hyaluronic acid, silk peptide protein and marine collagen. Oh, cool. I know it says Natural Men's Grooming. I'm sorry, my husband's not getting these. These are mine. I'm so nice and sharing, but no, bugger him. These are mine. All of it's mine. He doesn't use stuff like this in any way, so I'll have to use it. But yeah, we get 3 little samples of those in there too. Cool. Are they all the same? Anti-aging eye gel. Oh no, it's different. So this one is an anti-aging eye gel. This one is an anti-aging face moisturizer. I'm glad I looked there. And this is an anti-aging face serum. Ooh. Okay, cool. They look awesome. I thought they were all the same there, just having a quick look at them, but no, they are different. Yeah, these are definitely mine. Just noticed on the leaflet as well, they are mentioned here. It's just because I'm blind as a bat and don't look properly, but let's just have a look. So Scrubbed Anti-Aging Skincare Sample Pack. You know we love providing you with freebies, and this month we've teamed up with Scrub to provide you with a complete collection of the anti-aging range. Originally made for men, you could share this with a loved one, or use it for yourself. Yes, as they're also suitable for women. Let us know your thoughts once you've tried them. Yeah, cool. These are mine. Hi guys, so this is the August lemonade box. What do you think? Personally, I think this box is freaking awesome. I mean, look at it. That's great. And I'm not just saying that because this box was gifted to me. I'm saying that because the products in this box are genuinely amazing. I love it. Absolutely love it. So let's just take a little look. So we've got the 3 little samples here. We can have a right little facial with this, can't we? So that's great. And then the actual products in the boxes themselves. Start off with this, which is the Hydrating Bar. If it's really a thick, luxurious lather on it, I think I'm really going to enjoy that. We have this, the Brighten Face Up Serum. Yes, I've received lots of those in other boxes, not this brand box, but other brand boxes. So It would be nice to try something different by this brand, but guys, trust me, that is lovely, and I'm really I'm glad to get another one. We have a lovely hair rescue mask for your damaged dry hair, which yes, that's me. We have a face mask, which is fab, it's nice and hydrating. We have eye masks, which I love to use regularly, so that's perfect how we get 30 in there. That is so good. But yeah, this box is £101 and what is it? £101.94. I think that's fabulous. Whether you already subscribe to this box or not, what do you think? Comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Again, if you want to subscribe to this box, click that link down below. My code is right next to it. Make sure to use it because it gets you 20% off your first box. And where you can save money, save it, especially in this day and age. But yeah, what a fabulous box. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!